How to crochet the double crochet. So first we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert our hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Now I didn't realize until after that I'm working into the 3rd chain here, but that was a mistake. You're supposed to be working into the 4th chain. But from here we're going to yarn over and then pull through the chain, and then my left middle finger and thumb are going to grab that section, hold it in place, and then I'm going to yarn over again and pull it through 2 loops. Then my left middle finger and thumb are going to travel up again, hold the next section in place, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. I'll do that all the way across, and then for my turning chain, I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to turn my work like I would the page in a book. The chain 3 here counts as a stitch, so we're not going to work into that first stitch, we're going to work into the second. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook directly into the stitch, make sure I grab both loops, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over again and pull through 2. Once we work our way across, we're going to work into that turning chain at the very end. So we're going to pick up this loop right here, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook from the bottom up into the stitch, or into that gap, and then we're going to pick up that next one right there. And then we're just going to finish this stitch, and that's the end of row 2. If you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, like and follow my page. I post them every day. If you need me to slow down on this particular stitch one more time, I can absolutely do that. I just wanted to include as much as I could.